Navarasa. Here, Nava means 9, Rasa means emotions or emotional state. The Navarasa in the scriptures refer to the 9 expressions that humans often show. Shringara is one of the 9 rasas usually translated as romantic love or as attraction or beauty. It is considered as the mother of all rasas. Hasya is usually translated as happiness along with humor. The rasa portrays pure joy and mirth. Karuna rasa represents grief and compassion, the feelings of unspeakable tragedy and despair, hopelessness and heartbreak. Raudra refers to anger. It is a disagreeable and destructive rasa. The energy of anger expresses itself from a mild irritation up to real fury. Adbhuta is translated as wonder. It is the rasa of mystery, astonishment, and curiosity. By cultivating the right attitude towards the miracle of life. Veera rasa is embodiment of an energetic, determined, and unrelenting nature which has no room for surprise or confusion. It is shown by challenging words and deeds, conveying courage, boldness, bravery, and self-confidence. Bhayanaka is usually translated as fear and dread. The rasa includes worries as well as severe anxiety brought on by the anticipation of danger. Vibhatsa rasa deals with the odious sentiment and has the dominant state of disgust. It is derived from determinants such as hearing of unpleasant, offensive, impure, harmful things, or seeing and discussing them. Shanta rasa portrays the experience of peace and tranquility. It has its stable emotion as impassivity, which culminates in detachment arising from the knowledge of truth and purity of mind.